I'm group 16. This is my Labview 2 DTMF decoder. So here's my circuit. My green is the power, blue is the ground, and then the output signal just goes through a capacitor into these two resistors in series, the blue ones that make up 5.23 kilo ohms, and then 2.2 kilo ohms into another capacitor, 47 nanofarads, which is then grounded. And then that's where I read my signal to the DAC. And then this is also grounded. That right there is where it goes into the DAC. Here's my Labview. So as you can see, I get my signal in here. I set the port. Boom. This right here, I read a graph of just the raw microphone signal to see if it looks right. And then I filter it into the two different frequencies that make up my ketone. And then I have a little way right here where I check if it's in range between these values. This value is greater than the frequency I'm checking for, and this value is less than. So then I run it through there, and then I check to see if it's true or false. If it's false, I get a 0. If it's true, I get a number. So I'm always going to get one number from here, and everything else can be 0, and then one number from here, everything else can be 0. And those two numbers, I ultimately index them into my keypad right here. So this right here, like 1, 1 would be the 1, or 2, and then 3 would be the 8. So like that. And then here is my test. So if I press the 1, you can see, boom. If I press the 6, see, 6. Press the 0.
Oh, I can see the treehouse.
Boom. I'll press the 7. And I'll press the pound for the last one.
Alright, so
I'm group 16. Thanks so much.